Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start with the essentials and act now. Install HTTP Toolkit on your machine and open it. Once done, choose the capture type for the app you want to inspect. Make sure the target device or app is reachable and set its proxy to the toolkit's address. For web browsers, use the offered profile or manual proxy details. If you plan to intercept HTTPS, download and install the Toolkit root certificate into the system or browser you're testing, so traffic can be decrypted. You now configure the capture and start making requests. Attach HTTP Toolkit to a running process or set it as the system proxy, then reproduce the behavior in the app so requests appear in the session list. Once requests show up, enable HTTPS interception if needed and verify decrypted bodies are visible. Make sure the certificate is trusted. Use filtering by method, path, or header to narrow results, and pinch off noisy endpoints so you can inspect only the calls that matter. Finish by modifying and replaying traffic to validate changes. You can edit a request or response body, headers, or status code inline, and then replay it to see how the server or client reacts. Use the built-in mocking to return a saved response without touching the server. When done, stop capturing and remove the toolkit proxy or restore original network settings. If something breaks, check certificate trust, confirm proxy host, port matches the toolkit, and disable interfering firewalls or VPNs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.